My name is Rustic. This is Al. We're from the band called The Capsized. We're here at Nickel 9 Distillery making the Capsized Cocktail.
To make the Capsized Cocktail, first I need a cup. Thank you. So to start out, we're gonna use 1 ounce of our favorite Crazy Monkey vodka, 10 times distilled. Okay.
I just had to make sure.
All right, it's good?
Yeah,
I can use this
that's
one?
Right. That's the right one.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, thanks. So 1 ounce Crazy Monkey, 1/2 ounce of Hypnotic, 1/2 ounce of melon liqueur, 3/4 ounce of some lime juice, a splash of blue curacao,
Give that blue color. Oh yeah.
and then we've got some Nickel 9 lavender citrus bitters made here at the distillery.
That's the good stuff.
2 of those. Shake it up. Go for it.
All right.
Okay, I think it's done. I think it's
Yeah?
done. I think it's done.
All right.
Yeah, I think it's done.
Yes.
Okay. Then, oh, I need another cup. Oh.
Forgot.
Forgot what we were doing?
No, one more ingredient.
Yes. No. Then you top it up with club soda.
Oh yeah. What kind of club soda is that?
Beaver tree. And then garnish with a little shark and a little umbrella. And Rossi, can you go downstairs and grab me a straw?
Yeah.
Thanks. Oh shit. Rossi, it's okay. I got it. Thanks. Sorry about that, dude.
Oh, no problem. Oh, that basement is really deep.
There you have it.
Nice.
That straw is way too big for that cup.
I'm sorry.
Frosty!
Hey everybody, Chris here at Nickel 9 Distillery, and today I'm with my friends, The Capsized. We've got some exciting news. We've got a big show coming up. They've got a new EP. The release party is April 29th at See-Scape on Kiel. We're gonna be there supporting. We hope you're there. Crazy Monkey's gonna be there, and if Crazy Monkey's gonna be there, you know we're gonna have some crazy cocktails. So come and check out the Capsized Cocktail. April 29th, the Capsized Cocktail, See-Scape on Kiel. Get your tickets. You can get them online. You can get them at Nickel 9 Distillery next time you're in. Come check it out.